Okay, this is a cutting test of the Leatherman Raptor. We have a couple of materials for testing. Pants, plastic, metal, and of course paper. And let's do it.
Yeah.
Let's see, Raptor is around $70. It's a monster. Oh, by the way, later I'm gonna unbox the Anker UV wireless camera.
Yeah, maybe we can unbox it with the Raptor.
Later, yeah.
This is the Leatherman Raptor. Wait, oh, we needed a ring, right? A ring
I
for the
don't
ring
have
cutter.
a ring for testing. Let's take a look
Well,
at the
maybe
paper.
maybe we'll like check in with that.
Yeah, of course, it's very clean. Yeah, that's it. What about the pants?
Yeah, the pants. Let's try the pants. Because this is like a professional EMT toy, so of course you're gonna have to cut through stuff like seat belts and pants. Well, I think it works pretty well. There. Go. Yeah. But before we like get any further into the test, let's like review all of its tools.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Yeah, all right.
Well, I just want to try metal for the first time. It's very thin metal, but
Whoa.
it's just, yeah, still cuts fine.
Cut it. Whoa.
Very, very clean. Well, it just cuts like butter, like nothing, like it's just a piece of paper.
Cool.
Effortless.
I gotta try. I never tried metal.
Hands, be careful. Yeah.
But like these are just heavy duty scissors. There's a ruler here, so you can use that for like measuring. Here's a strap cutter with an oxygen tank wrench right there. That's like, yeah, you can fold it up. Ooh, this is my overall favorite, the Leatherman.
Yeah, but today we're gonna just talk about
the Raptor. Test. Yeah, and well, it can cut through metal, but let's try some plastic. We could not get any glass for the glass breaker, or because of safety issues, and no rubber because we couldn't find any. Yeah, that looks pretty nice.
Press this button to fold.
And it also has
What about this? Hold it.
Yeah, hold it. You gotta do it at an angle. Trust me, it takes some time to get used to. But you also wanna like fast.
Come on, you do it.
I do it. Ew. Yeah, there, razor sharp.
All right, that's it. I
Yeah.
guess that's it for this.
I also want. Let's test the ring cutter. I mean, rings are made of metal. So the ring cutter's right there. So you just pop in the ring. Yeah, it cuts through it real nice.
Yeah, but this is really soft metal.
Yeah. We don't want to like chip the blade.
No, it would never chip the blade with such a soft metal.
And no, I meant like with thicker metal. Thicker.
All right, thanks for watching, and click the like button if you find this review helpful. And see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe.